Welcome friends. Do you like driving in Dubai highways? Today we are talking about driving in Dubai highways or freeways. Also the roles of highways in RTA driving test. RTA driving test, they are checking the candidate's efficiency for lane discipline, lane changing, highway merging and exit, and speed limit and the signals. So, as you already know, a highway is a high-speed multiple lane road and its traffic is traveling in opposite direction and is separated by a central dividers. And there are speed limits are in highways. Speed limits are usually higher on freeways and traffic could be heavy. And you will be seeing the speed limit sign in major highways that 120 kilometer maximum, and for trucks it will be 80 kilometer per hour, and minimum speed limit is 60 kilometer per hour. You should not drive in less than minimum speed limit in highways. Another subject is lane discipline. The lane discipline, what RTA examiner will check is you are within the lane, and when traveling on a freeway, are you maintaining a position in your lane at all times? And another thing is you are keeping safe distance between vehicles, and also as a safe driver, you should travel or far right lane, and you can use left lane to overtake the vehicles. You should not, at any cost, you should not overtake on the hard shoulder of the road. And another one is lane changing. Lane changing, I will be giving a detailed video on lane changing in another video. But in freeways, lane changing is you should be very careful. Never change lanes without checking your mirrors. Examiner interested about how you handling different signs in the highways. So as I mentioned earlier, you will be seeing the highway beginning and ending highway signals, highway signs, and also you will be noticing that guide signs like the Emirates emblem with the numbers notation, and also the inner routes with the green color. And also you will be noticing that there are multiple exit direction signs. So two lanes exit with multiple route numbers, and inner line exit. And also you will be noticing that the Salik gates while on the road. So there is a Salik bridge will be there, and also of course the speed limit signs will be vary depending on the roads. Normally in Sheikh Zayed road it is 100 kilometer per hour, and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed road is 110 kilometer per hour, and depends on the roads. There are various speed limit will be there set by the RTA. It is very critical to understand and follow in your driving test is entering and exiting highway. So this is one of the main reasons, one of the main place people are failing in their test because lack of a safe entry into the highway. I failed 2 times in my test during this test, and also this is one of the biggest cause of the highway accidents, because of people are not giving proper attention when they are entering highway. So when you will be noticing that all the highways are equipped with entry ramp and exit ramp. So this helps a smooth entry into the ramp. So when you are want to enter into the highway, when you are entering on the entry ramp, you should signal your intention early and check mirrors and your blind spot to merge safely. So you will be seeing this entry ramp like 300 to 400 meter. So as you drive on that ramp, you need to increase your speed so that you are traveling at the same speed as that freeway traffic. So if the freeway speed is 100 kilometer per hour, you should increase your accelerator gradually to reach that speed as quickly as possible. And once you ensure that it is safe, you can enter the highway. So once you completed the merge, ensure that you cancel your indicator. So the same thing is the same question you need to apply when you're leaving a freeway. There are exit signs are there to assist you how to exit and all those things. And in your exam, examiner will tell you to exit the freeway. So then you should make sure that correct indicator you put and checked your mirrors and blind spot and come to the exit line. So in case if you miss that exit lane, you should not be worried about. Keep continue the driving. Even the examiner will not be bothered you on that, because you are giving importance to the safety instead of just panicking and changing the lanes and exiting. And also, once you are exit the ramp, you should slow down, because the exit, this is one of the very important things to understand. You are on the 100 km/h road and you are coming to a maybe a two-lane road, or a single multi dual carriageway. So the speed limit, you as you know that it will be 80 km/h or 60 km/h. So it will be very important. You should slow down, otherwise there will be slow moving vehicles will be there, and there is a chances of crashing. So you should be very important to understand this. And there are many various caution you need to apply on the highways. So one is, you should not stop or reverse vehicle. So some cases, I noticed in Dubai roads, if people are missing their exits, they sometimes they are trying to stop and reversing and trying to take that exit, but that is a dangerous act. It will lead to a accident. And another one is, you may be driving at high speed and 100 kilometer per hour. You may notice that one guy is driving very slow. Maybe he's checking on the phone or talking on the phone. As a safe driver, you should not do that. You should not drive in low speed. You should speed. You should drive at the safe speed. And in even if it is not emergency, you should not stop or park or drive on the shoulder, the or central divider. So it will lead to a heavy fine. And also you need to make sure that you following the speed limits. You should follow the maximum and minimum limits. There are radars are there. If you caught the speed radars, heavy fines will be there. So so I summarized to that, you should follow the tips we discussed on this topic and apply on your driving test. Definitely you will pass. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for very interesting videos on the driving and driving exam related topics. Thank you.